So we got some fishing gear now and we are all packed, and we were checking the weather where we are going, and right now it's 30 degrees warm, so it's unbearably hot. And also we are expecting a thunderstorm from 10 p.m. to about 3 a.m. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, she got it. Okay. Yeah, I see it. I see it. So this is the clearing. We will be setting up tent. We got a good hill over there so that the wind passes over. In that way we have the lake, and if we walk through the dense forest that way, we come to a small trail, the road we used to get up here.
Hey guys,
Heter jag Elnur.
I stole Theo's balaclava and I have my cap on too, so I look ridiculous, but hopefully he will edit something else over it. But I'm in the tent right now, just making sure to pack up all the sleeping stuff, and the dog is thirsty, so Theos is going to get her some water from the lake. And right now we're at I don't even know what this is, but it's in nature and it's near a lake where allegedly you can fish some salmon fishes, and that's what Theo is gonna try to do while we're here, and I'm just gonna live my best life and knit.
So it's 9 p.m. and we decided to go down to the lake and try my luck fishing. So we'll see how that goes. We are at the lake. Look at this gorgeous lake. And this is a planted lake, so it's full of rainbow trout, and I'm gonna stand here and fish. So this one drags a lot easier through the water. It's also a few grams lighter. We didn't get any fish. Torvi has been playing around, digging up sticks. So she's been swimming around, playing around, digging up stuff, but I didn't get a single bite. Probably too late or too warm. But this view is amazing. Okay, so it's 10 past 10 around, which is the official time. The thunderstorm should begin, and as you can hear, in perfect timing, the rain starts pouring in. So there is a thunderstorm right now. I can hear the thunder. We haven't seen any flashes and it isn't raining that much. I tried to go out to take a shower, but I barely got wet at all, so I quickly gave up on that. Instead of getting wet, I got eaten and completely slaughtered by mosquitoes. Varsågod. Good morning. It is 7 a.m. 15 degrees Celsius outside, and it's been raining all night. The dog is eating her breakfast and we don't have any breakfast because we didn't do the shopping. So it's a bit colder today, so we will be doing one trip to the car, and in that trip we're going to fish, take a bath maybe not, because it is a bit colder today, and go shopping. Good morning, baby.
Good morning.
Ready to seize the day?
No,
No.
it's cold, I'm tired, and
Yeah.
everything hurts.
It's cold.
Little bit.
So we finally managed to find gas. We had to drive quite a bit to find it, but now we found it, so we are going to go grocery shopping and just get some food. Hopefully I get a fish so we don't have to starve, but we will get some normal food too, just in case I don't get anything, so we don't go hungry. Alright, so we got back from the store and I've been trying this rig, this bait, for maybe an hour, and absolutely nothing happened. I got it caught in a tree and it took some time to get down. So I am going to change to the spinner. And the reason why I didn't film is because the camera died while we were at the shop, at the store. So when we parked the car here at the lake, I went back to the camp while the lady napped, and I went and got new batteries and stuff. And it's very quiet, there's no one here, so it's very nice. I'm really looking forward to fishing. It's quite expensive to fish here actually. It's 280 crowns, 28 euros, $40. And I mean, I do it for food, but you're allowed to take up 2 rainbow trouts, and for 280 crowns I could just go to the store and buy 2 rainbow trouts, so that kind of sucks. But if you know anything about fishing, like literally anything, please send me a message or a comment or anything and give me tips. I am mostly interested in rainbow trout and freshwater trout, because where we are moving in northern Sweden there is a big lake that has a bunch of freshwater trout, and I really like the salmon-y kinds of fish, so oh god, this is horrible. Anyways, thank you for staying here, watching me fail miserably, humbling me, bringing my ego down. But I am learning, and when we move to the north of Sweden I will be the greatest fisherman, at least in my own home. I really hope some pro could come and just sit on the dock next to me so I could just ask him and he could just teach me. Be like my fishing father figure. Fishies! I see small fishies. They're like this big. 50 centimeters maybe. My first catch. So I don't know. Oh, what the? I'm going over there. I just saw a fish literally jump like over the water. Oh my god. Okay, I'm going a few bridges down that way, and I'm casting over there because that fish was ginormous. Okay, so I'm at the new bridge. One of those bridges is where I was before, and right over here somewhere is where I saw the fish. This bridge is extremely sketchy, like it's so shaky. So I'm actually gonna go to those bridges, set up and throw from there, because I don't want to fall in, not with this camera. So it's been about 12 seconds after I put the camera down. I got a problem. So I tried skipping, or like using the fishing hook to like swing it in under there, but accidentally, instead of swinging it under there, I swinged it up there, and it is stuck, like so stuck. I don't know, am I supposed to swim in and get this, or how do you solve this problem? And this one is heavier, so I should be able to throw it a bit further. Oh fuck yeah. Catch number 2, pad of the lily. So another hour has gone by. It is now 1 p.m. I've been throwing and throwing, nothing has happened. I have seen fish jump up on the surface. I've gotten stuck 3 times. The only thing I have caught so far, I actually have caught something. I'm going to show you. But I did manage to get myself a lake tortilla. That's it, yeah. It's pretty sad, my wrist is starting to hurt, I'm getting bored. The ladies are still napping, I suppose. I've been fishing since like 10 o'clock, so a bit more than 3 hours. With absolutely no success. Not even no success, it's just I've seen fish, so I think if I was fly fishing I might have gotten something, but also you are allowed to fly fish here, but you are not allowed to use any flotation devices, and the only way I can fly fish is oops, I ate shit, fuck. The only way I can fly fish is with one of those flotation devices, so that I can get the fly out. So it's basically a large plastic bubble that adds some weight to the fly so that you can get it out there. I'm just gonna clean this. Good job. It looks better than it tastes. No, I mean, I hope not. It tastes better than it looks.
Alltså, om man kör liksom veckovilan. Nej, jag är ju färdig.
Good morning. Yeah, I didn't sleep very well, so I just wanna get home. I do still have one more white monster, which I'll pop open once we are all packed. And yeah, very nice. So there's not much more to this trip more than packing up. So thank you and goodbye.